Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. Okay, so welcome back to our class. So today we're going to continue our lesson, okay, with learning standard 8.2.4. Okay, so I hope you don't have any problem from the previous subtopic. Okay, and again, if you have any problem from the previous subtopic, please, okay, let me know. Okay, and you can ask me any question in the group. Okay, so let's look at the notes. Okay, so today we're going to learn on, okay, what is the effect on the data changes on dispersion. Okay, so let's look at these notes. Okay, let's go through one by one. Okay, if given data set, okay, for example 8, 9, 11, 12, 12 and 14, then, okay, from this data set we know that the range is 6. Okay, how do you know the range is 6? Okay, highest value minus lowest value. Okay, for example, okay, 14 minus 8. Okay, and then, okay, interquartile range, okay, third quartile minus first quartile. Okay, and then for the variance and standard deviation, okay, you can calculate using the formula from the previous class. Okay, okay, next, okay, if each of a set of data is added or subtracted by a constant value of k, then range, interquartile range, variance and standard deviation are not changed. Ingat okay, kalau kita ada satu data set, kalau kita tambah sesuatu constant value of k ataupun kita tolak sesuatu constant value, okay, nilai dia tidak berubah. Ingat itu. Okay, while, okay, if each value of a set of data is multiplied by a constant k, then, okay, range, interquartile range, variance and standard deviation pun turut berubah. Okay, okay, let's look over here. Okay, so for range, okay, 6, yang asal tadi 6 kan. Okay, kita darabkan dengan k itu tadi. Okay, same goes to the interquartile range. Okay, 3 times with the constant. Okay, and then for variance, okay, variance is special sikit. Kita darabkan dengan k kuasa 2. Okay, and then for the standard deviation, just times k. Okay, if each value of a set of data is divided by a constant, okay, then, okay, kita 6 divided by k, 3 divided by k, okay, for variance divide by k square, and for standard deviation is divided by k. Okay, look at the tips over here. Okay, variance must involve squares. Okay, okay, let's look at the example. Okay, for example, we have range 15, interquartile range 12, variance 1.5625, and standard deviation is 1.25. Okay, sekarang tengok okay, what is the new range, the new interquartile range, new variance and new standard deviation if, okay, the data set is, okay, added by 3, multiplied by 2, divided by 3. Okay, what does it mean by added by 3, multiplied by 2 and divided by 3? Itu maksud dia, okay, for example, each of this number kita tambahkan dengan 3. Contoh 8 tambah 3, 9 tambah 3, 11 tambah 3 dan seterusnya. Itu maksud dia. Okay, kalau dia bahagi pula 8 bahagi 2, 9 bahagi 2, 11 bahagi 2 dan seterusnya. Okay, okay, tengok. Okay, kalau ditambah 3, okay, semua ini tidak akan berubah. Okay, all the values of range, interquartile range, variance and standard deviation does not change. Okay, meanwhile, if we multiply by 2, okay, so the original range kita darab 2. Okay, the original interquartile range kita darab 2. Original variance kita darabkan dengan 2 square. Ingat, variance kena kita square kan. Okay, and last one, standard deviation times 2. Okay, the same thing goes with divided by 3. Okay, everything we need to divide by 3. Okay, except for variance, you need to divide by 3 square. Okay, boleh? Okay, jom kita cuba buat soalan yang pertama. Okay, for example, okay, we have range is 20, interquartile range is 16, variance is 6.0025, standard deviation is 2.45. Okay, sekarang kita cari new range, interquartile range, variance and standard deviation. Okay, when the data set, okay, each number is added by 2. Okay, kalau added by 2 tadi ada berubah tak? Tak ada kan? So, okay, the value is still the same. So, we have 20, okay, 16, 6.0025 and 2.45. Okay, next, when multiplied by 3. Okay, so the new range is, okay, 20 times 3. Okay, the answer is 60. Okay, new interquartile range is 16 times 3, okay, 48. For variance, okay, 6.0025 times 3 square. Okay, so your answer is 54.0225. Finally, standard deviation is 2.45 times 3. Okay, your answer is 7.35. Okay, the same thing goes when divided by 4. Okay, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, 16 divided by 4 is 4. 6.0025 divided by 4 square. Okay, jangan lupa square for variance. So this is 0.3752. Okay, and for standard deviation is 2.45 divided by 4. Your answer is 0.6125. Okay, saya rasa senang je kan, tak susah. Okay, so you can try for yourself. Okay, number 2, number 3. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, standard learning standard 8.2.5. Okay. Okay, after this I'm going to show you how to check your answer by using calculator. Okay, lepas ni saya akan tunjuk. Awal-awal ni kita kira manual dahulu. Okay, nanti kita akan check guna calculator. Okay, after I finish teach you all these things, okay, I'm going to show you one by one how to insert the value inside your calculator and which button to press, okay, to check your answer. Okay, so let's look example ni awak boleh baca sendiri lah kan. Sama je kan. Okay, dia nak mean, dia nak standard deviation, okay, new data set and so on. Okay, okay, so let's try question number 1 together. Okay, given a set of data 8, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and 15. Okay, calculate the mean and standard deviation for each of data set. Okay, so nak kira mean mudah sahaja. Okay, saya zoom okay, A mean. Okay, mean is X bar. Okay, X bar is equals to, okay, please make a habit, okay, to write the formula. Okay, summation of X divided by N. Okay, so summation of X is 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 divide by, okay, how many number of set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide by 7. Okay, so press your calculator carefully. Okay, so your answer is 10.8571. Okay, next, okay, each value of set of data is multiplied by 2. Okay, calculate the new mean and standard deviation. Sorry, tak habis lagi. Okay, baru mean, standard deviation pula. Okay, standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation. Okay, ingat standard deviation, simbol kita sigma. Okay, so sigma is equals to, okay, kita ada, okay, summation of X square divided by N minus mean square square root. Okay. Okay, so we have, okay, so each of these values you square it. Okay, so kita ada 8 square plus 8 square plus 9 square plus 10 square plus 12 square plus 14 square plus 15 square divide by 7 minus your mean 10.8571 square. Lepas tu kita square rootkan dia. Okay, so press your calculator carefully. Okay, jangan go jauh type satu-satu. Okay, so your answer is 2.642. Okay, so that is your answer for the first part, A. Okay, next, each value of the set of data is multiplied by 2. Calculate the new mean and standard deviation. Okay, B. Okay, tadi kita tahu each data multiply by 2 kan? Okay. So, kalau multiply by 2, okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, kita dah belajar tadi kan? So, kalau multiply by 2, okay, so new mean, okay, is equals to, berapa mean yang asal tadi? So, 10.8571 times 2. Okay, so dapat berapa kalau times 2? So, kita akan dapat 21.7142. Okay. Tak perlulah kita kira manual lagi. Kan kita dah belajar tadi kan cara dia. Kalau awak terlupa nak kira manual balik, boleh. Okay. It means that each of this value you multiply by 2. Tapi bukan masalah. Okay. So next dia nak apa lagi? Standard deviation kan? Okay. So new standard deviation. Is it standard deviation? Yes. New standard deviation. SD. Okay. 2.642 times 2 sama. Okay. So 2.642 times 2 is 5.284. Okay. C. Okay. State the effect of the change in the data. Okay. So samalah. So kita tahu new standard deviation, okay, is equals to original standard deviation times 2. Okay. Boleh? Okay. Okay, next kita cuba nombor 2. Okay, number 2. Okay. Given a set of data 20, 21, 23, 25 and 26. Okay, calculate the mean and standard deviation for the data above. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, so A sama, calculate the mean kan? Okay, so mean, okay, rumus x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. Okay, so summation of data is 20 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 26 divided by, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5. Okay, so press your calculator. So you will have 23. Okay, and then for standard deviation, okay, standard deviation sama. Okay, so we have summation of x squared divided by n minus mean square root. Okay, so kita ada 20 square plus 21 square plus 23 square plus 25 square plus 26 square divide by 5. Okay, minus our mean is 23, kita squarekan dia, square root. Okay, so press your calculator carefully, jangan salah. So you will get 2.2804. Okay, boleh? Okay, next. Okay. Another data of 23 is included in the data set above. Calculate the new mean and standard deviation. Okay, awak kena ingat ni. Okay. Ini, okay, kalau ini, okay, yang kita belajar tadi tu, kalau each value, maksudnya kalau setiap nombor di dalam dataset yang lama, kita darab 2. 8 darab 2, 8 darab 2, 9 darab 2 dan seterusnya. Okay, tapi lain pula untuk situasi nombor 2. Okay, untuk situasi nombor 2, for this situation, okay, it mentioned here another dataset, 23. Satu nombor yang baru, iaitu 23, dimasukkan ke dalam set ini. So kalau asal tadi ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, masuk satu lagi 23, 23. So kita akan ada 6 data. Itu beza dia. Hati-hati, kalau ini each value, setiap value ini kita darab 2. Okay, kalau ini pula satu nombor yang baru, kita masukkan ke dalam dataset itu. Berbeza cara jawab. Okay, so how to calculate? Okay, saya pakai warna hijau lah. Okay, B. Okay, so min yang baru, kita tak boleh lah buat macam yang ni tadi. Sebab tadi each data. Yang ni only one data kita masukkan ke dalam. Okay, so untuk min yang baru, okay, macam asal lah, kita kira macam sama, cuma tambah satu nombor yang baru. So 20 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 26 ni data asal kan? Okay, tambah 23 tadi. Tambahkan satu lagi 23. So bahagi divide by, okay, kalau tadi ada 5, dah ditambah satu lagi jadi 6. Okay, so press your calculator. Okay, tekan calculator. Okay, dapat 23. Betul kan? Jadi 20, 21, 23, 25, 26, 23 divided by 6, dapat sama 23. Okay, so next dia nak kita kira standard deviation kan. Okay, standard deviation pula. Okay, standard deviation, okay, samalah, okay, 20 square plus 21 square plus 23 square plus 25 square plus 26 square plus 23 square divide by 6 minus min kita 23 square. Square rootkan semua. Okay, so press your calculator. Okay, so kita akan dapat jawapan 2.0817. Okay. Okay, next see, state the effect of the changes in the data. Okay, see, apa perubahan yang ada. Okay, so we can say that, okay, the mean and new standard deviation values, okay, have changed. Okay, by adding a new value, okay, which is close to, okay, or equal to the mean, okay, will reduce the standard deviation. Ini salah satu cara, okay, awak describe perkara ni lah. Okay. Okay. So next. Okay, so for number 3. Okay, saya nak awak cuba sendiri. Number 3 and number 4 pun sama. Okay, cuma beza number 4 ni, okay, dia tengok number 8 is removed from the data set. Okay, kalau tadi nombor 2 kita tambahkan, we add a new number into the data set, while for this 4B we remove 8. Okay, so untuk A ni, maksudnya A awak akan bahagi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bahagi 7 data. Tapi untuk B kita akan bahagi 6 data. because it is removed from this data set. Dan seterusnya samalah pengiraan. Okay. Okay, number 5 pun sama, number 6 pun sama. Okay.